Take a look at this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified the Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 78,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the LTZ Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle 3.73 ratio, refer to engine axle chart for availability. Wheels, 4 18 inches x 8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, spare wheel will not cosmetically match the other 4 wheels, requires Z71, off-road suspension package and QXN, P265/65 or 18 on off-road, black wall tires or QXQ, P265/65 or 18 on off-road, white outlined letter tires. Tires, P265/65 or 18 on off-road, white outlined letter XM satellite radio. With a wide variety of programming, XM has something to excite any driver whether you want to be entertained or informed, to laugh, think, or sing. XM has the perfect channel for you coast to coast, and in digital quality sound. 3 trial months no obligation included with PDB, LT audio package. Not available with UEL and Star Delete. Available in the 48 contiguous United States. Required $12.95 monthly subscription sold separately. All fees and programming subject to change. Subscription subject to customer agreement. For more information, visit gm.zmradio.com in the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.